there's no rebound whatsoever. So there's more going on in there. Which your front brakes certainly need to be addressed.
Yeah, wait, I got some.
Oh, nice. Nice. What a fucking boy. Beautiful. Beautiful.
It's a heavy duty lever.
Yeah, it looks cool. Looks satisfying. We call it the Green Goblin. Yeah.
It's got the nibby too.
Yeah. Well, notice it only has one. Look at that. Just one of these.
Just one shock in the back.
Isn't that cool? Single shock.
Yeah. If I could just sit way the hell back here.
Oh, yeah.
Chopper bars, so that would be awesome.
We've talked about that before.
That would be a great mod to do on your bike.
Yeah. Yeah, this one's sick, dude.
Yeah,
it's fun to get this one in the gang.
So you put your tube in and you partially inflate it, and then you zip tie the beads together. And then from there, you're able to push the tire on and essentially seat both beads at once, possibly without needing any spoons.
Really?
Then you trim the zip ties, tire pops out, inflate the tube, and it fully seats the beads. Those will stand.
Yeah, that'd be good as new.
Oh, wait. I thought we were pointing forward.
No.
That's sweet.
No, we're going this way.
Well, the carb's going backwards, now the filter's going backwards. Unless that interferes, which maybe we won't know.
I don't think it's in your way, dude.
No, my leg won't.
Well, you need to have the
shouldn't
foot pegs
be there,
on
no?
there before you know.
Okay, so now
Alright, you little fuck boy. Oh, let's go for a second. There you go, fat boy. You're braking now.
I don't want It's like that South Park episode with the shake weight. They're a fucking pain. Empty bottle boy way. That wedge maneuver, I think, is what saved us. Just go harder. Everyone just take their turns. 10 more jerks. Yeah.
There we are. All the glory. That's a bullet.
Oh, careful, it's spilling. Hold it up, hold it up. Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Woo!
Ow! You.
Nothing left, dude. Zero left. Holy
That one
shit.
doesn't even travel.
No.
The other one's loose and this one doesn't move.
Oh, yeah, no, you forgot the rule. The golden rule.
Oh,
Damn it, dude.
Everybody gets a turn.
Yeah.
You just got no spin. Like, this axle isn't. You have to fucking force it.
Yeah, one in this one. Should bang it there.
Interesting.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, daddy.
Huh? Maybe not, daddy.
There you go.
Should we put a new tire on his rim for him too while we're doing this?
Yeah, we might as well. She picking up.
Just loves this old tire.
That boys are lined up at the bottom.
Yeah. I'm not gonna crank her down super tight just yet.
I guess
We're pretty good on tube inflation?
Well, I see a little pinching here.
Yeah.
I see a little pinching.
Thank you.
Yeah, the tube's pretty tucked up in there. It's protected.
Yeah, it kind of lets you work on the other side of the tire rather than between the tube and the tire.
Ribbit.
Yeah.
Through as much.
Go to your home. Go to your home.
Yeah.
Oh, baby.
Pop some zip ties and inflate that tube. And
That was definitely easier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Zip tie method works.
Now that's a method no one's ever seen before on YouTube.
looks good.
Does.
It's kind of a pain in the ass.
You pull your end out.
So I can't get the spring inside of there.
This spring is like, it's not even compressing at all right?
No, it's not.
So I don't think,
It's pissing me off.
well, maybe that spring is just the one that keeps the
It's probably the
adjustment
ones on the
Right,
inside.
right. That's a good point.
inside. So the ones on the inside, yeah, I can't see.
We just need that muffler to start her up.
Battery and then just your bells and whistles like your lights, and the front headlight's kind of a pain in the ass.